Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we're going to do something different. We've come through to Cleethorpes Way and we're going to do a van versus cabin. So we've got this for the weekend, this log cabin thing. So what we're going to do is, because we had such a good weekend last weekend, we're going to see which one we prefer, staying in something like this or staying in aka the Seagull. So I'll take you around to show you. So we've got a little decked area there. It's quite nice actually, sun facing. Got a nice, quite a large hot tub there. We're getting a nap later like. But yeah, so like I say, we're going to test which one we prefer. Either the log cabin or going around in the van. So both of them have benefits. But anyway, I'll show you inside. So as you come in the door, there's a master bedroom, big TV and all that. Shower, toilet and everything, not bad. And here's your lounge area. So it's quite nice. Quite a nice cabin. But yeah, my idea was, like I say, to see which one we prefer, because living in your van all the time or coming in something like this, it both has its perks I suppose. So what we're going to do is spend the weekend testing it out. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a bit when we're sorted. So I'm just sat on the deck in the sun, but like you're always going to get the people who don't live in vans who would say straight away, yeah, this is definitely 100% you'd rather prefer a log cabin like this. But when you lived in your van for so long, I don't know if you're like me, I like getting about and you can move around and that, and it's not, I like being in my van, do you know what I mean? So sometimes this doesn't necessarily impress me, if you know what I mean. But like I say, we're going to give it a go, see which one I think is best. But I don't know, it's going to be a close one I think. So Victoria, after last weekend we were at the lakes. We had a really good time with the back door open and everything, looking onto the lake and a load of views and all that. Our little experiment this weekend, obviously to see if we like the cabin or the van better. Which one are you thinking after last weekend and all the other weekends we've had where you're getting out and about and like views and everything? What are you reckoning you're thinking about, the cabin or the van?
Well, to be honest, the van's lovely, this is lovely, and I don't know yet because we haven't done anything here yet, have we, really? So we need to get this weekend out the way and then I can tell you whether I like the van better or places like this. Exactly,
so there you go. We're both not unsure at the moment. We're going to spend the weekend here, see what we're thinking. Like you say, it's got the hot tub and everything like that and facilities and all that, but I'm going to show you out throughout the video the facilities this has got, and my van has got pretty much exactly the same as such. But yeah, keep watching. So now what I'll do is I'll show you a few things that the cabin's got which my van has got exactly the same pretty much. So here we go. So we've got the toilet in the cabin, toilet roll, toilet. Now let's swap to the van. So here's the toilet in the van. So not much difference there, is there? Obviously you won't have a number 2 in here, but you can still go at the toilet, so not much difference there, is there? So we've got a shower in here. Let's go to the van and I'll show you that shower. There you go, nice shower in the van. Tell you what, just because you're in the van doesn't make you say you can't get a shower or go to the toilet. So like, I've got everything there is you need for the van. I've got a shower here, toilet in there. So you get a nice wash, just zip this right up. There you're getting a nice shower, but in privacy. So there you go. So, nice comfy bed in the cabin. Let's go to the van. Nice double fixed bed in the van as well. Memory foam mattress the lot. So, no different there either, is there? Same as a cooker. I've got a cooker in obviously in the cabin, but I've also got one in the van. Like, I can keep going on. I think you just get the gist of what I'm trying to get at. Just because you've got a van and you go away in the van and all, it doesn't make it so you can't have the luxuries, do you know what I mean? So I think the only difference here would be is a hot tub and a bit of decking and all that you can set out on, but if I wanted like a hot tub, I would just go and park up somewhere where there was a river or like sea or a lake or something like that. Do you know what I mean? So that would be my hot tub. But like I say, I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to get at. Like, we're just going to see which one we prefer. I think I know which one I'm going to prefer, like, but we'll spend the weekend here and then we'll carry on, and I will let you know at the end. Anyway, I think we're going to go and get some food in a minute. But I'm going to go and hot tub a bit later on, check that out. So I'll see you in a bit. So, this is a hot tub. Absolutely lovely. It's nice and warm. Well, I think it is. Yeah, it's lovely. So look at this. So all the buttons there, lights up. I don't know if it's got lights inside of it, but yeah, it's nice. So here we go. Quite jets everywhere. That must be the lie down bit there. So yeah, it's quite nice. Victoria's just in there getting changed, so yeah, I guess I've been pranked and pushed in. I can't believe she got me first, you know. I've been dying to do that to her for ages. I've been trying to push her in the lake and all sorts, and yeah, never got the opportunity. So I was planning on doing that to her when she went to get in, but obviously she got me first. What a nightmare. Good morning, everybody. So I slept not too bad actually. The bed wasn't as comfy as the one in the van, I don't think, to be fair, like, but it was alright. It was a bit warm, but they did have a fan next to the bed, so that was alright. It is 8:30 in the morning, and I'm just, well, I'll show you. I'm just making a coffee and making some sausage, but in the old oven. It's not as fun as cooking on the side of the van or inside the van or outside or something like that, what I normally do. You know what I mean? It just feels weird. Like, I much prefer doing it the way I do in the van. Like we cook the sausage and the breakfast on the side of the van, like with a little stove thing. Much enjoy that cooking outside. It's brilliant. But I'm sure other people know what I mean, other van lifers. But yeah, it's definitely different, that's for sure. Well, what we're going to do today, I think, is we've had a look on the main town and the seaside front that we want to go to. It's not very good for parking down there apparently, but the walk's like 50 minutes, so I won't be doing that. I'm not walking 50 minutes to go there, but not being lazy or nothing like. But yeah, we found out there's like a shuttle bus thing that takes you down and back apparently, so I think we're going to do that. But I haven't been on a bus for public transport for like 20 odd years, maybe longer. Crikey. So that'll be an experience. But yeah, I think we're going to do that. Then we can get down right into the centre without messing about trying to park the van and that. But yeah, I think that is a plan for today, so we'll see what happens. So we're sat here like lamb salad waiting for this blooming bus. It's an absolute nightmare waiting for public transport. It's no good, is it? I can't stand it, like, sat here waiting for a bus. It's a nightmare. Hopefully it comes soon. So we got that bus. Couldn't play anything on the bus because he had his music blasting. Never heard a bus with that music blasting, like, so yeah, oh well, not too bad of a journey. So we just got back from the town, well, the seafront bit that we went down to. We went on the bus. I didn't take much video on at all, well, nothing really down there while we're there, because it was a big street market thing on with a lot of stalls and that. They had music playing on most of them, so I didn't want to take any video. Ended up getting copyrighted else. But yeah, we're back at the cabin now. I've got the hot tub open, and we're just gonna have a few drinks and chill out in that for the rest of the afternoon stroke evening, and yeah, just have a chilled out afternoon. But yeah, it's our last night tonight, so tomorrow we will let you know what we both think, which one we'd rather do. Well, yeah, keep watching for our verdict of what happens. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Good morning. Well, we're on our last day now. Last night we just stayed in a hot tub for a while, had a few drinks, and then we come back in and watched a couple of movies and then got pretty much early night. But yeah, we've come to the last day of the experiment, and my choice would be to be in my van for the weekend. Sorry, I think it's because I live in my van anyway and I like being out and about. Like last weekend, I loved the lakes where we were out and about, and the back door open facing the lake, being outdoors and cooking outside and everything on the side of the van. I much more prefer that. Let me know in the comments what you would have thought. Do you think? Don't get me wrong, this cabin's absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful cabin and the attention to detail is lovely. And yeah, we really enjoyed it with having the hot tub and everything like that. But yeah, my choice would be being out and about in the van. I much more prefer that. So we'll ask Victoria. Victoria, what would your choice be, rather than in the van or in the cabin?
I like both, but because I live in a house, I prefer being indoors. But I do love going away on a weekend and that with you, making adventures.
So there you go. Yeah, Victoria does live in a house, so she probably more prefers being in a cabin or something like that. But yeah, I like to say she likes both, so it's not too bad. Yeah, my choice is definitely the van. I prefer that more. But yeah, we'd just like to thank the owners for letting us have the cabin at short notice just to do this experiment. We really enjoyed it, really. Don't get me wrong, we enjoyed the weekend. It was brilliant. But yeah, anyway, we'll leave this one now. So I'll catch you on the next one. So take care and I'll see you later.
See you on the next one. Bye.